preparing for an episode about the moon landing. What was it? Was it real? Was it not real? But the things that are really interesting to me are how much NASA pushed technology forward in the 1960s to get the world that we have today. One example of this is the zero impact wrench. So if you guys have ever used this, it's the thing that when you tighten bolts, it goes click, 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 click. Right? It makes that sound. And it's very interesting because this specific tool needed to be designed, and the designers were Black & Decker, the major electronics brand, basically so that you don't spin the astronaut into space. You can think of it if you use a normal cordless drill. It doesn't have a way of breaking the torque once you reach a certain threshold. But zero impact wrenches do this. They sense the amount of torque that's going onto the bolt, and as soon as it exceeds a certain level, it sort of clicks back and hammers on the bolt to make it turn a bit more. So that's very interesting that NASA pushed technology forward. They might not have invented it, but they exceeded expectations on how quickly things could get to market in the world of the space race.